Today, we are diving into command prompt tips and tricks in Windows 11. From basic commands to hidden gems, we've got you covered. Let's explore the power of command prompt together. Let's go. Number 1. Customizing the command prompt text. Typically, the command prompt displays the current folder path, like C, followed by either the user directory or system32 if you're an admin. But did you know you can customize this text? Yes, simply use the prompt command followed by whatever text you prefer. For instance, typing prompt hello will make hello appear before each command you input. Of course, just having any old word there might not be too useful, so you can utilize prompt / to discover special codes. These codes allow for dynamic information, such as timestamps or the Windows version. Number 2. Customizing prompt with timestamp and file path. Let's say you want your prompt to show both the file path and the timestamp. This could be handy for reviewing logs later on. To achieve this, we'll use special codes. First, input prompt to signify the change. Then, use $T for the timestamp, followed by a space, $B for a divider line, another space, $P for the current path, and finally, $G for the greater than sign. Voila! Now your prompt displays the timestamp, divider line, and file path, making it even more practical. Now you're armed with a more informative command prompt. If you ever mess up your customized prompt and want to revert to the default, simply type prompt without any additional text, and it will automatically reset. You could even use this as a playful prank on friends by making it seem like there's a catastrophic error. However, remember that this reset is temporary and will revert back upon restarting the command prompt. Number 3. Accessing help and command history. Let's touch on a couple of tips you might already know. First off, there's the help command. It's pretty straightforward, just type help, and it'll display a list of common command prompt commands. Alternatively, you can access help for any command by typing the command followed by a space and then a / and question mark. Number 4. Navigating command history. Next, let's talk about accessing previous commands you've entered. You can retrieve a list of recent commands by typing $/history. And if you're looking for a quick shortcut, simply press F7 to bring up a list of previous commands, allowing you to select and paste them directly with Enter. Number 5. Executing multiple commands and copying output. Next up, here's a useful tip. If you need to execute multiple commands on the same line, you can achieve this by typing 2 ampersands or plus signs between them. For example, if you want to customize both the prompt and the title simultaneously, you can type the prompt command followed by whatever text you want, then and finally the title command with your desired title. Pressing Enter will execute both commands at once. Additionally, you can copy the output of a command directly to the clipboard by adding clip after the command. Number 6. Aborting commands and copy pasting. Another useful command is IP protocol configuration, which retrieves information about your network adapters. Adding /alt to the end shows even more details, although it might not always be necessary. IP protocol configuration is especially useful for quickly accessing IP addresses of network adapters and provides a comprehensive view of all network adapters and their IP addresses in one place. To sum it up, these command prompt tips can truly amplify your Windows 11 experience. Stay secure and keep exploring. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech insights. Until next time,